Welcome to Design Cafe's Experience Center. I'm Shanali and this is your one-stop solution for all your home interior needs. Come, let me show you around. Welcome to the minimalist style living cum dining area. It's been designed with a lot of smart storage options to give the room a clutter-free look. This entire unit to my left has been designed with push-to-open shutters. Let's take a look at what's inside. Here we have an entertainment unit. Next to it is a hidden library. Adjoining the library is a pull-out bar with glass shelves to store all your glassware. This living room comes with a recliner cum sofa which has an adjustable headrest.